Itong racket itong sa Abu Sayyaf, ma'am, they have local contacts. Most of them are criminals. Most also, karamihan are not all. Pero mga contacts dito ng mga balik Islam. Sometimes yung mga moro talaga. Ang style dito is mag-kidnap sila. Kaya madali lang man. They have the access and they have the opportunity of the dialect and the way how to go out, go in. Tapos ipagbilihan nila doon ipasa nila sa mga professionals. Pasa hanggang mag-abot ng hulo, doon nila tataguin at doon ang negosasyon. So kung mayroon akong makidnap dito, baski small time lang, negosyante, buy and sell, ipasa ko sa kanila ng 200,000, pasa nila kung sinong mapasahan nila, hanggang mag-abot ng mga milyon ang demands. So it's a criminal activity which is being perpetrated now. So nandito ako just to warn everybody about the practice. But ako naman, total hiningi nila talaga to, ilang ipangayon eh. May orders to the police and the lahat. And even civilians were interested to fight and kill. Ang order ko is dead or alive. Kaya yung anim na were maybe scouring the safety nets kung saan sila makalanding, I have you 1 million offer per person ako. Tip lang, bigay mo sa police pati military, no questions asked. Do not even give a name. Sabi mo lang kung saan sila at gobyerno na ang bahala.
Ang kinakatakot po kasi sir ng marami na alam nila, Sulu, Basila, nandiyan ang Abu Sayyaf. Ito na raw ba sir yung simula ng presence ng Abu Sayyaf sa Central Visayas?
Well, I intend to also to arm the civilians. And I will include the civilians. Pag nakapatay ka na nga, you don't have to worry. You just go to the police and make the report and state your truth. Wala kang problema. I'll take care of you. I'll pardon you, whatever.
How will you arm the civilians, sir?
Well, meron kami. I'm not at liberty because I have to talk to the local officials. They might have some objections, so I would like to hear first what would be the wherewithal in such a situation where we arm the civilians. Ako, I encourage civilians also to kill. Kasi dead or alive man yan, may reward. Pero mas gusto ko yung dead kasi yung alive, mapakain pa ako, ma. Mas gusto.